It began with a faint signal transmission from the farthest reaches of space. Voyager 1, a small probe launched in 1977, now drifts through the most remote, silent, and enigmatic regions of the cosmos. Against all expectations, it has sent back data that left even the most seasoned NASA scientists in stunned silence. For over 4 decades, Voyager 1 has journeyed farther from Earth than any human-made object in history. Its instruments, running on antiquated 8-track technology, should have fallen silent long ago. Yet impossibly, it continues to communicate. This time, however, it did not transmit routine data. Instead, it captured something inexplicable. Discovery so profound that it challenges our fundamental understanding of the universe. What has Voyager 1 truly encountered in the darkness beyond our solar system? What is this signal, this anomaly that defies all logic? A mission beyond expectations, Voyager 1 was never designed to last this long. Its original mission was straightforward: conduct flybys of Jupiter and Saturn, gather data, and then fade into obscurity. But the spacecraft defied expectations. Despite its primitive computing power millions of times weaker than a modern smartphone, it pressed onward, surpassing the gas giants, passing Pluto, and venturing into uncharted territory. Today, it floats more than 14 billion miles away, in interstellar space, a realm untouched by sunlight and governed by forces we scarcely comprehend. While most machines from the 1970s now sit in museums, Voyager 1 remains operational, still collecting data, still surprising its creators. Every transmission is a voice from the past, echoing across time. And now, that voice has spoken again, this time with something unsettling. The anomaly in NASA engineers monitoring the deep space network detected an irregularity and unusual variation in the data stream. At first, it was dismissed as interference or static, but when the signal repeated, its precise, rhythmic structure became undeniable. Voyager 1, with its decades-old magnetic tape systems, had recorded something unnatural, a transmission with mathematical coherence. Some speculated it might be a plasma disturbance or a distortion at the heliospheric boundary. Yet nature is chaotic, and this signal was anything but. Its precision suggested intent. Echoes from the past. In 1990, Voyager 1 turned its camera toward Earth one final time, capturing the iconic pale blue dot image, a poignant reminder of humanity's fragility in the vast cosmos. Afterward, its camera was deactivated forever. But now, scientists reviewing the new data have uncovered something disturbing. Tiny fluctuations in past transmissions, once dismissed as noise, now form discernible patterns. Some researchers even suggest the signal contains an echo, as if Voyager 1 is no longer just observing space, but being observed in return. Could this be a natural reflection, a signal bouncing off an unknown object? Or is it something more? The silence beyond when Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence ends, it entered a realm of eerie quiet. Scientists expected turbulence, a clash of solar and interstellar forces. Instead, they found silence. And within that silence, something inexplicable emerged. The latest data reveals anomalies in plasma density, magnetic field irregularities, and temperature fluctuations that defy known physics. It's as if the laws of reality bend in this region. And at the heart of this void lies the source of the signal, not a planet, not a star, not even a black hole, but something else entirely. Something unclassified, distorted signals. Further analysis revealed something even stranger. The signal's return path was distorted, not just delayed, but altered in structure. Normally, transmissions from Voyager 1 take over 21 hours to reach Earth with predictable timing. But this time, parts of the signal arrived too quickly, while others never returned at all. The implication was unsettling. Something had intercepted the transmission. It was as if a message in a bottle had been opened, read, and resealed by an unseen hand. The artifact hidden within the data was a pattern, not in visible light or any known electromagnetic emission, but in the gaps between transmissions. These interruptions followed a precise rhythm, like a slow, deliberate pulse. NASA insiders began referring to it as the artifact, an unseen presence near Voyager 1's path. Some speculated the probe had passed near a cloaked structure, possibly artificial. No one dared say it outright, but the silence spoke volumes. Resurrected code in a development straight from science fiction. Engineers discovered that Voyager 1 had reactivated segments of dormant programming code unused since the 1980s. Buried deep in its systems, this legacy software should have remained inactive. Yet somehow, the spacecraft had accessed it without command. The code served no known function. It simply looped endlessly, like an old machine reciting a forgotten incantation. One engineer described it as watching a computer whisper a prayer. No one taught it. Magnetic anomalies. As Voyager 1 ventured deeper into the void, its sensors detected bizarre fluctuations in the local magnetic field. Unlike natural cosmic noise, these waves were structured, geometrically precise, almost engineered. Some scientists likened it to magnetic scaffolding, as if space itself had been rearranged. Even more unnerving, the fluctuations seemed to mirror Voyager 1's trajectory, as though the void was responding to its presence. Some theorized it could be evidence of a wormhole or a rift in spacetime. A doorway in the dark. Voyager 1 was meant to be a messenger, a silent traveler carrying humanity's greetings into the unknown. For 45 years it drifted faithfully, a bottle, cast into the cosmic ocean. But now, something has changed. Its latest transmission is not just data, it's a rupture, a signpost at the edge of reality. Perhaps something has been watching all along. Perhaps Voyager 1 has stumbled upon a door that was never meant to be opened. This is not fiction. This is happening now. And if Voyager 1 has found the unimaginable, then we may not be as alone as we once believed.